I already filmed this whole video once, but I didn't check my memory card. So I filmed for like 2 minutes. Welcome back to the channel, it's Kimi Elias here. And you might have seen something like this, or maybe this, or something like this. Who knows? Maybe? No? Yes? I think you do. Before I jump into the topic, please, let's roll the intro. Let's go. Yeah, I've been too much on TikTok lately. If you're new to the channel, my name is Kimi Elias and lovely to see you here. I do anything and everything regarding photography and filmmaking. I discuss camera gear. Not that often, but I do. I do anything, but I do it from a viewpoint of a semi-professional. I've not been here for long in the business, but I came to stay. Brother. This is gonna take even longer than the first one. Let me know if you like the intro. Please leave a comment if there's anything you think I should change up, if I should change the music, the thing, you know, let me know. I kinda like it, Or I do like it a lot, but if you think it could be better with a Latin pop song, tell me. And if you're wondering where I get the songs from, it's actually from VIDEOMIC Sound. You can find the link down below. So, I am really sorry for this video, but let's jump into the topic of the day. Is the Sony A7 III still worth to buy in 2020? As I said, I'm doing this from a semi-professional view, and I'm not gonna jump into the specs of the camera. If you want to know the differences between the Sony A7 III and the new Canon EOS R5, it's gonna go like this. But then again, we're gonna discuss some things about it, what I like about the camera. I've been using it for about half a year now, and it's just, I love it. I like the camera, and I'm not gonna change. I'm gonna go through some pros and some cons, just of typical usage. Let's go for number one. Pro number one is definitely the dual card slot. And today we saw exactly why it is. If your memory card gets full, you always have the backup. You don't have to dig it from somewhere else. You don't have to take it from a friend. You don't it's in your camera. It's right there. When your first memory card gets full, it right away changes to the second one and you're off to go. You don't miss a second. Now today I didn't even check. I just threw in one and started recording and had like 2 minutes on there. It can actually save you from so many situations. Not even like the even expensive Pro DSLRs. They don't even have the dual card slots in their cameras. I don't have like physical example for you here right now, but Google, I know. Pro number two is definitely the system. People always talk about Sony System. It's really confusing. It's not logic, and they're pretty much right, but when you're used to it, then it's totally logic. I used the Sony A6000, the Sony A6500, then I updated to the Sony A7 III. So I'm used to the system. The menus don't change throughout the camera that much. Everything stays pretty much the same. So it was like really easy to make the switch from the Sony A6500 to the Sony A7 III. But then again, if I would jump to a Canon system right now, that would probably be like so confusing for me. And then again, when a Canon user jumps to a Sony system, that's like really confusing for him. But hey, we learn, right? Pro number 3 is low light capabilities. This camera is a beast in low light. And when I talk about beasts, I'm talking like Beauty and the Beast beast, like that beast, bigger brother beast, you know, biggest beast. If you're telling me this picture quality is awful, then it's probably because of my color grading or my lighting or something else, but not the camera. The camera is amazing. I love the picture quality. I love how the picture looks. It got that kind of own look to it if you compare it to a Canon camera. Yes, the Canon colors is nicer, I admit it, but I somehow like the way this looks. There's something different. There's something. I don't know what, but for my experience, for my preferences, I love the picture quality of the Sony A7 III. And last but not least, pro number 4. It's the price. You can get a used Sony A7 III for around 1700 euros. A dollar check. That's $1,898.25. That's pretty cheap. And I've seen some bundles being sold as used with a lens on it and everything, and still around 2000. And with that price, with this quality, do it. Just buy it. I'm already telling you, yes, the Canon EOS R is amazing as well, but this is cheaper. You get this pretty much the same thing. Yeah, I know. Trash me. Trash me. There is still some cons that I don't like about this particular camera, and it's flip screen. Where is the flippin' flip screen? Sony, tell me. Well, it's on the Sony A6400. I don't care. I want it on the full frames. Now, as a vlogger, as a photographer as well, it's like if you wanna go in weird ass positions taking pictures and you don't see the screen and then you wanna just, oh look, I can flip it. It just helps out. Sony, listen to us. A second con that I stumbled on last weekend when I was filming a wedding was that actually the face recognition is not working when you're filming in 4K and using an external monitor. I'm using this external monitor at the time, and it's just a monitor, it's not a recorder. The face recognition should work with the recorder, but with an external monitor, it does not work. And I can't just get it to my head, why wouldn't it work? I'm just flipping the image via HDMI to another monitor. What is the problem? Where is the coder, and what has he thought about, like, oh yeah, I'm gonna external monitor and nope, face recognition off. I'm sorry, bad imitation of a coder. I'm a web designer myself, so I code. But that's pretty much it. That's like from a non-spec viewpoint on this camera. The Canon EOS R5 is gonna cost around 5,000 about. The Sony A7III has been a rumor for 2 years now. The coronavirus is going on right now, so everything that comes from China is gonna get pushed on till the later of the year. So if you actually wanna like right now step up your game, maybe switch over from the crop sensor family to the full frame family, yes, buy it. If you're thinking about it right now, go buy it. That's pretty much it. Next week's video is going to be awesome. I'm doing it in collaboration with a company that sent me a package, and the package is right there, but I'm not gonna show you what it is because let's wait for the weekend so I can film the video. I don't know where I start singing. Kimi, you weird as yeah, how about we see you next week? Peace. Oh. I forget to tell you one thing. I should get a shower. Remember to like, subscribe, share, follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, whatever. I link everything down below. Have a great end of the week. You know it's Wednesday today, so you only got like Thursday and Friday, and then it's already Friday. What up? So, see you.